Hazrat Amr bin Abu Sufyan bin Usaid bin Jariya Thaqafi, one of Hazrat Abu Huraira's companions, states that Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched 10 men including Hazrat Khubayb radiyallahu anhu. Zuhri states that Ubaidullah bin Iyad told me and Haris' daughter told me, when the people assembled, he asked me for a razor to get purity. When they exit the sanctuary in order to martyr him, Hazrat Khubayb Ansari radiyallahu anhu said, if I am slain as a Muslim, I don't feel gloomy. On whatever side I may fall, my fall will be for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. My death is for Allah's cause. May He Jalla Jalaluhu bless the amputated parts of my torn body. So Haris' son martyred him. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam notified his companions of his news on the very day he radiyallahu anhu embraced martyrdom. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7402.